If you're a content creator looking to grow your audience, then everything on this list is intended to save you a significant amount of time, increase your views, get you more followers and subscribers, expand your content's reach across the internet, and ultimately take your business to the next level. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. Instead of the typical move of saving the best one for last, let's start off with the best one on the list and keep the one that is the most fun to use for later on. The app that comes in at number one is Make because it lets you automate practically everything. Make is ridiculously powerful and pretty much does what the name implies. For example, if you're tired of doing boring, repetitive tasks, Make lets you build an automated solution to replace that task. Yet when you really tap into the power of Make, you can create automated lead generation systems for your business, all the way up to creating automated social media systems that will generate unique content and post it across various social media platforms. With Make, you can connect thousands of different apps to create a ton of automated workflows. After you sign up, the free account gives you 1,000 operations that renew each month, and after you're logged in, you can watch some easy-to-follow tutorials if you want to, or feel free to jump right in because Make offers a bunch of ready-made templates that you can use. So when you find the automated solution that you want, just click on it and Make will walk you right through the steps. By chance you can't find the solution you need, you can always build your own automated process, which is known as a scenario. You can do that by clicking on the New Scenario button, choose the app you want to start with, and you're on your way. Just know you'll need to authenticate a few of your accounts and perhaps supply a few relevant API keys if necessary. Next up is DID. DID can be used for a lot of different things, yet at its core, DID allows you to create animated videos based off images. You can create these animated avatars by either providing your own image, using some of their ready-made characters, or you can create one by using the text-to-image prompt. Now, in full disclosure, this is the service that I use to animate the image used on this channel. And being completely transparent, I did consider using a similar service called HeyGen, which is a solid choice as well, so I have to give them their props. Yet in the end, went with DID because of the price, overall ease of use, and how it fits into my needs. To give you an idea of how easy DID is to use, to create an animated avatar, you click on Create Video, choose the image you want to use, supply the script by either typing it or uploading an audio file. As a side note, when it comes to the voiceover, you have the option of using some ready-made voices or even cloning your voice if you wish. Once you've completed those steps, just click on Generate Video, wait a minute or so. After it's ready, just download it, and that's it. Creating a video costs you a certain amount of credits depending on the overall length. So to give you an idea, 1 credit will get you 15 seconds worth of video. As of this recording, you can also translate your videos into other languages, which allows you to reach a broader audience. Moving on, let's face it, no matter how you create your video, editing is a task that most people dread just because it takes so long to finalize a video. So this next AI tool on our list might be a game changer. It's called Gling, and it handles common editing tasks. For example, Gling can tell the difference between a good take and a bad take, repetitive sentences. It can remove any filler words, plus it will add noise reduction and silence, all with a high degree of accuracy. Furthermore, Gling can apply automatic zoom in, zoom outs if you wish, transcribe your audio, which in the end makes your editing process incredibly smooth, saving your valuable time. The really cool thing is any edits that you make are non-destructive, and you can go back to restore any parts that you need. So Gling can definitely make your life easier, and it will allow you to focus on creating content as opposed to editing it. Next up on our list is FireCut, which is arguably very similar to Gling. FireCut is a plugin for Premiere Pro, and it's great for podcasters. The way FireCut works is, let's say you have multiple camera angles. FireCut will cut the video for you in minutes. It will also generate captions, automatic chapters, take out any filler words, and allows you to zoom in, zoom out. But if you don't even use Premiere Pro, FireCut also offers a service called FireCut Web that allows you to edit directly in your browser. Next on the list is ElevenLabs, which is probably something you've already heard about. ElevenLabs is arguably the leader in AI voice generation, but what you may not know is they've recently added something new that takes AI voices to a whole new level. Once you log in, instead of using text-to-speech, look for speech-to-speech. Click on it and then start recording. After you're done, you can choose from one of the pre-made voices, and ElevenLabs will transform your voice into something completely different. For example,
let's say you don't like the way you sound and feel your voice doesn't fit the vibe of the video that you're creating. Perhaps you want to sound a little more regal, complete with an accent. ElevenLabs has you covered.
Or perhaps you're making a silly video and need a wacky offbeat character voice. You can do that too by modifying the voice settings.
ElevenLabs basically lets you create any voice that you want, all the while maintaining your natural speech pattern and inflection. So the ceiling is pretty much unlimited. While we're on the subject of audio, it's no secret that bad audio is a complete deal breaker and will have people jumping off your video faster than a vegan leaving a barbecue. So the next one on our list is Adobe Audio Enhancer. If you're one of those people who creates videos on your camera and still uses the built-in mic, or have a really bad acoustic setup where you record and the room is kind of echoey, Adobe Audio Enhancer might just be your new best friend because it takes your bad audio and makes it sound high quality. Basically, it will remove background noise and apply some audio effects in just one click to create some awesome, practically professional sounding audio. For example, here is a recording of yours truly with no audio effects or processing added. It's just raw audio. So let's head over to podcast.adobe.com, then click on Enhance Speech, upload the file, give Adobe a few minutes to work its magic, and now when we play things back, you can clearly hear the difference between the original and the enhanced. Adobe Audio Enhancer replaces the hours you spend adjusting audio with literally one click. The best part is, it's free. Next up on our list is Runway. So let's say you're creating a video and the stock footage you find on Pixabay or Pexels is just not good enough. Runway is one of the best text-to-video generators available and can create practically any video segment that you want. The problem is Runway is not free. The trial only gets you so many credits, and once they're gone, they don't replenish. So instead of paying for it, we can leverage a deal that Runway signed with Canva and use Runway for free. When you're in Canva, create a new video project, then in the Apps section, do a search for Magic Media. Once you find it, click to open it. After it's opened, click on Videos, then type in the prompt you want the video to be about. From there, Canva will use Runway's text-to-video tool and create the video for you, which will take a few minutes. Now, depending on the type of Canva account you have, it determines the amount of credits that you can use. But overall, this is a much better solution if paying for Runway is not in your budget. Next up on our list is an app that has been created for people who want to create videos, but just don't know how to or have the desire to learn everything involved. It's called Invideo AI, and it's a full video generator that can be used to create videos on any topic just by typing in a simple prompt. Simply put, it does all the work for you, from generating the scripts to adding the voiceover and video footage, all in a matter of minutes. All you have to do is tell Invideo what kind of video you want to create. For example, this was created using Invideo AI.
Have you ever wondered what made the samurai of ancient Japan such legendary warriors? These enigmatic figures weren't just fearsome combatants, they were also pillars of society.
Once the video is complete, you can then customize it and edit all the components however you want. The best part is you don't need any video editing skills to accomplish this. All you need to do is tell Invideo AI what you want, and it will do the heavy lifting for you. So as promised, we've saved the most fun app to use on our list for last, and it's an audio generator called SUNO. SUNO is an awesome tool that lets you transform a simple text prompt into a full-length song that can add another layer of customization into your videos, and frankly, it's a blast to use. The way it works is easy. All you gotta do is type in a brief prompt and SUNO will work its magic. For example, let's say you want to create a song about how you hate your job and spreadsheets too, using an 80s hairband sound. So here's what we get. All right, you got to admit, that's pretty good. Or let's say you want to create a song about giving your boss a reason as to why you're late using a 90s ska sound. Here's what we get.
There's the bus at 4th and Lane. Tried to hurry, caught the train. Turnstile broken, line was long. Worst of all, I played this song.
Yeah, you can spend hours on this one. Navigating in SUNO is super easy, and this app is just entertainment waiting to happen. The pricing plans are reasonable as well, so feel free to check SUNO out. All right, and that'll do it. Now, before you go, feel free to check out some of these other awesome tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment below. Don't be shy about using that like and share button, and we will see you next time.